How to play the B major scale on the octave mandolin. So the octave mandolin has very wide frets, which makes it very difficult to stretch for the fourth finger. So after this, I'm going to do a short video on some fourth finger exercises. But for now, we're going to start on B on the G string, which here I'm playing with my second finger on the fourth fret G string. Then C sharp with my fourth finger on the sixth fret G string. Then D sharp with my first finger on the first fret D string. Then E, I'm going to slide my first finger up on the D string to the second fret and play E. Then F sharp, third finger on the fourth fret D string. Now we want a G sharp, so we have to stretch to the sixth fret D string. Now we want A sharp, first finger on the first fret A string, and finally a B. So you can slide your first finger up to the second fret A string for a B. Let me do that again slowly so you can see what I'm doing. So B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. So notice that there were 5 sharps. So there are a lot of sharps in the key of B. Now, how do you remember how many sharps are there in each key? The way I remember is, I remember that the octave mandolin is tuned in fifths, which means that every 5 notes up is a different string. So G at the top here, 5 notes up from G is D, 5 notes up from D is A, 5 notes up from A is E, and each of these strings has a different set of sharps. So G major has 1 sharp, and it's the first string on the mandola or octave mandolin. And that's how I remember that G major has 1 sharp. D major has 2 sharps. On the octave mandolin, the second string is D, so D has 2 sharps. A has 3 sharps. E has 4 sharps. Now, if you had a virtual another string going up, it would be B. That means that B has 5 sharps. The next string up, if you had one virtually, would be F sharp, and finally C sharp at the top. So that's how you remember how many sharps are in the key of B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then virtually B would have 5. Anyway, I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, I've posted the links to reach me below. Please subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell button if you want to see more videos or be notified when I upload something new. Hope you have a good day.